Hey folks, it's Andy from Nuthouse Industries. We're out here in the shop today to take a look at a very special project we recently completed and getting ready to deliver to the end user. This was done in cooperation with the Wounded Warriors Family Support Services. It was a project dedicated to the old man on Pawn Stars and fully sponsored by Rick Jr. So really excited to be part of something so special for a veteran. Truck has a lot of features that aren't normal for a truck due to some of his disabilities, and being able to overcome those things and get out and camp with his family and really enjoy the truck and enjoy the outdoors. So we're going to start right here in the front. We added a Fab Four's bumper and some rigid lighting here. One of the nice features is the worn Platinum 12S winch. What's special about it is it's a cordless remote. No need to reach in and look for a release or anything. It's all done right from the remote. So very, very nice feature. All the lighting tied into the upfitter switches from the factory on the Ford upfitter package. So the truck came to us upfitted with a Kelderman Air suspension. The importance of that is ease of access for Andrew when he goes to get in and out of the truck, and also, as you can see at this current ride height, it's pretty high to get to the gear. But with a simple touch of a button, the truck's lowered down to a nice, easy access. So on top of the truck, we started with one of our Tech Series racks. You can see down here on the passenger side, we have a Rotopax plate with a water container on it, some auxiliary lighting, and also a couple of our custom nut shells for storage of gear, recovery gear, things like that. So on the passenger side, it's 3 Rotopax mounting plates, water and a couple diesels. Eventually those may get changed out for some gas for a portable generator for him. You can see we added a matching Fab Four's rear bumper along with some rigid Radiance red backlit lights for the stop lamps, and then backup auxiliary lamps as well. So we'll move right on up to the top here. This is the Spitz Lift we installed with one of their brackets down to the frame. We did customize it though for this application. We've got an anchor point here. You can just bring that crane right up and swing it out of the way here, be able to use it to load this cargo deck. Here at the back, we have a cargo slide from Cargo Glide. Pulls all the way out. Again, you can see the use of the lift to load the cooler, and all the rest of the gear came from here. It's going to go up on top of here. And once it's loaded, it all slides away there. Below that, we have a truck vault system. These are full extension drawers that pull out. They have divider systems built into them. Lots of room to store your gear and secure it with the locking compression latches. On the other side here, we have a couple shallower drawers. Again, fully carpeted dividers to be able to be put in them, locked and secured. Really nice setup for storage in the back side here. You can get a better shot of the Max Tracks here in the storage box. There's a total of 4 of them there. Then they have the locking tab as well. We added one of our custom electrical solutions to this. The centerpiece here is a voltage monitor as well as 2 USB ports. And we have 2 12-volt sockets. One will run the cooler, of course, and then the other one for whatever accessories it might have. We also have a series of light switches on here, push button switches. One for the cargo lamps up on the deck itself, and then we also have work lighting around the outside. It would be the left side, right side. So first and foremost, we want to thank Andrew Bottrell for his service to this country. We also want to thank Wounded Warrior Family Support Services for allowing us to be part of this project. Whether it's a custom truck, a custom Jeep, a custom trailer, a solution to help you enjoy your outdoors, make Nuthouse Industries your first call.